Hey everybody. Well, you've got your cruise, so everything's paid, right? Not exactly. As you go on a cruise, there's also going to be gratuities added. It's going to be about $13.99 for your standard rooms, which is your interior, your ocean view, and the balcony and suites. But the balcony is going to be running in that, but the suites, when you go up to the suite class, you're going to be paying $15.99 a person for gratuities per person per day. So don't forget to add that on. That's going to come. If you can go ahead and prepay it before you go and it's already taken care of, you don't have to worry about that. Or it's going to come off your account as soon as you leave that last excursion. You're going on the sea day, you're selling back, that's going to come off your account. So make sure you have it on the credit card or debit card that you have applied to your account. Also, if you are doing a debit card, a lot of people don't know this, but you need to let your bank know that you're going out of town, that you're going out of the country on a cruise. Because once you leave, okay, let's say you're going on a Caribbean cruise. You're leaving Mexico. It's going to come out in Mexican water, and they're going to say, well, my clients here in, say, Florida. They're not in Mexico, and they're going to deny the charge. It's just a long process. Yes, the cruise line, they can work with you at the front desk. They will let you call your bank and talk to them and get matters straight. But just save you the trouble. Talk to the bank ahead of time. I found out with my bank that I've got, you can actually go online, let them know any travel in the country, out of the country, let them know how long you're going to be gone, and that just saves you a lot of hassle because you don't want them to throw fraudulent charges up thinking that that's not you. And also, when you're on the cruise, they've got casinos. If you do the casinos, that's going to cost you extra. So you want to budget out some money if you want to do that. Your alcohol and your sodas are not included. So you can either buy them per drink or buy a drink package. So you want to make sure you get that fixed so that you'll be able to do that while you're gone. Then also, while you're on the cruise, they take beautiful pictures. I mean, every time you turn around, they're taking a picture of you. You can take a picture when you're embarking. You can take a picture when you're in ports. You can take a picture at the dinner table. You can take a picture. They've got professional photographers, especially your formal nights. They take pictures then. You want to go on your cruise website, find out what they charge for pictures. And even Carnival, they have a package now where you can get your pictures in a package and not pay as much as if you'd have to buy them individually when you were there. So that's something else you might want to check out that before you go. You also have shops there. There's shops on the casino, so you definitely want to do the shops, so you'll want to allow for that. Oh, these people are going to hit each other. I'm sorry. But anyway, allow for your shops and everything, so you want to be able to get souvenirs to bring home to your friends and your family and everything else. So you definitely want to allow for that. And then, let's see what else you might want to do. When you go in port, there's also going to be shops and stuff. And in port, you're not going to use your sign and sell card. Sign and sell card has your debit card or credit card attached to it. But when you get in port, you're dealing with the local people. So you want to bring you some cash. Bring you some ones, some fives, some tens, some 20s. Make sure you got some small cash because they will haggle with you on the price. If you don't like their prices, they will go down with you, but you want to have the money there to be able to do that too. But definitely, and if you want to do their specialty restaurants. When you go, your restaurants, I'm going to use Carnival as an example. Your dining room's included. Your Guy's Burgers, your Blue Iguana Cantina, and the sorry. I'm watching these people, making sure they don't hit me while they're driving too. But also the Blue Iguana Cantina and the barbecue shop, Shack's Barbecue Shop. All that is included in price. But they do have steakhouses. They have Seafood Shack. They have the Bonsai Sushi. All that is not included. There is a price to eat at those places. So if that's something you want to do, definitely look into the prices of the specialty restaurants on the cruise ships you're going on, and make sure you have enough money for that there too. But I just wanted to give you a little heads up that yes, your entertainment's included, your food in the dining room, and for the most part is included other than specialty restaurants. But you do want to allow yourself some money for having fun and everything while you're on the cruise. And also, if you were parents, you also might want to allow extra because they have what's called the Kids Club. But after a certain point in time, they do charge for you to use the Kids Club so that you can go out to the club and the comedy clubs and all that, and your kids can go and have fun in their actual age appropriate areas too. So definitely allow for some money, get ready to have some fun, but I just didn't want you to get a sticker shock once you get there. Y'all have fun, and I hope you're having a good day. If you're not having a good day today, let's make tomorrow a better one. Bye guys.